Hello students, and welcome to a tutorial for the second part of your challenge. For this part, we're going to use a tool called Teachable Machine. So let me show you how to use it. First, open your search engine and look for Teachable Machine. Like so. You're going to click on the first page that appears, and you're going to find this interface which explains what Teachable Machine is. So it's a fast, easy way to create machine learning models for your sites, apps, and more with no expertise or coding required. So we're gonna get started. You can click here, top right corner. And for the challenge, which is to create a service to sort waste, we are gonna use images. So go to Image Project, the first square on the left, click. Another two options that are going to pop up. So standard image model and embedded image model. We're going to use the standard. Okay, now we have this interface with a mind map, which is going to be our model. So in this first part, we find two rectangles with class 1 and class 2. As you can see here, we can add more classes if we want. Then we have training and preview. So this first part is where our training data is going to be. I want you to go back now and remember what we've learned in the module about the life cycle of AI. There's a process of data acquisition and data extraction, then modeling, and then evaluation. So in this part of the challenge, we're going to do all four. Since our service is going to sort out waste, we need to train our model to know how to sort it, and we have to test it to see if it actually works. So in groups, you're gonna gather few images of waste of whatever categories you wanna sort it in. In my case, I'm gonna sort it by material or origin. So I'm gonna have 4 classes, which will be organic, plastic, paper, and metal. And in your case, it could be whatever you want. You can sort it by color, by origin as me, whatever you want to do. So, as we can see in these classes, this is going to be our training data. We can add the images through the webcam or uploading them. So to make it easier, we're going to upload them. So we're going to click upload, choose images from your files, and I already have prepared my training folder. This is the images my model is going to learn from. So I got the training, and as you can see, I have folders for the different categories that I wanted to sort the waste. So we're going to start by organic, and I'm going to upload these pictures of different organic waste, and I'm going to do the same with the others. Okay, we're ready. So now we're going to go here to the next square, and we're going to click this rectangle that says train model. You see, preparing training data. And I want you to remember that in this case, the quality of the data is more important than the quantity. We've seen this throughout the module, and this is very important because in order to create a good model, we need good data. So now we're gonna test our model and see what it does. So first, we're gonna export our model, as you can see here in the preview. We're gonna click export model, and we're gonna click upload. You see, we have two options, upload or download. We're gonna upload it, and we're gonna hit here, upload my model. and it's done. Now we can close this tab, and we're gonna choose in here file. Instead of webcam, we're gonna choose file, which is the same as we did before. So we're gonna choose images from our file, and I'm gonna go again to my folder, and this is the test folder. So I'm gonna try with this banana peel and see if my model can sort it out. As we can see, the model sorts it out as organic 100%, so it works. This is the evaluation part. Our model works perfectly fine. We will complete this challenge. Now it's your turn to do the fun.